How to transfer Bitcoin from bitget to bybit. Now, first of all, make sure you log into your bitget account. Now, after that, tap on asset, and from top bar, tap on spot and tap on withdraw. Now, as you can see, if you don't find Bitcoin here, just tap on search and you will be able to search for it. Now, for me, I will just tap on Bitcoin. Now, here, tap on on-chain withdrawal. And now, as you can see, tap on the withdrawal network, leave it in Bitcoin. Now, in the withdrawal address, how to get it? Just we will go to Bybit app to be able to get the withdrawal address. Now, tap on Bybit. Now, after you open the Bybit app, make sure you log into an account. Now, how to be able to get the withdrawal address? Tap on us, and after that, tap on deposit. Now after that, tap on deposit crypto. And now from here, as you can see, for search, type on search Bitcoin like this. And you will be able to find it here. Tap on it. Now as you can see, tap on Bitcoin to select the network and tap on OK. Now as you can see, copy the address. Now as you can see, copy it successfully. Go back to bitget app and I will expand this window. Now as you can see, we have the withdrawal address, just we need to paste it here, as you can see. And the withdrawal amount, tap how much you want like to send, as you can see here. And now after that, this is the fee that you will be paid and this is how much you will receive. Now if you are ready to go, tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction and you will be able to transfer Bitcoin from bitget to bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next